Today's video is one of the most important ones that I have ever shared when it comes to your testosterone levels, because it's going to expose one habit that destroys your testosterone levels. And unfortunately, 99% of men fall for this trap. But before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button below. It really helps my channel out a lot. And with that said, let's begin. Now, this morning habit is actually a little weird, but it's something that so many guys do on a daily basis, and it absolutely wrecks their hormones, especially their testosterone levels. But what is this strange morning habit? Well, it's drinking coffee first thing in the morning. Now, in this video, I'm not going to go over all the benefits of coffee. You're an adult. You know how good coffee tastes. We all know that. But what I want to talk about are the negative effects that drinking coffee can have on your body. And once again, these studies will show that 99% of men fall into this category where they are negatively affected by coffee. The truth is that coffee has a very powerful impact on your adrenal glands. If you don't know what your adrenal glands are, they sit right on top of your kidneys, and their job is to produce certain hormones, with one of them being cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone. So when you're stressed, your body is going to release more cortisol to help you handle that stress. But there is a catch. You see, your adrenal glands only have so much power. It's like a battery. And if you're constantly stressing your adrenals out, well, guess what happens? They start to shut down and they become weaker. Kind of like a phone battery. If you keep your phone on airplane mode, it'll last longer. But if you're constantly connected to Wi-Fi, using different apps and playing games, well, that battery isn't going to last too long. Same exact principle applies to your adrenal glands. So what does this have to do with coffee? Well, coffee places a huge demand on your adrenal glands because it's a stimulant. Here's the problem. Many people wake up in the morning feeling tired and exhausted. So they drink coffee to give them energy. But here's the issue. Drinking coffee first thing in the morning spikes cortisol levels. This means you're putting additional stress on your already stressed out adrenals. And if you're one of those guys who drinks 3 or 4 cups of coffee every single day, well, you are absolutely destroying your adrenals. Now, the problem with this is that the less your adrenal glands produce cortisol, the more you will feel tired and fatigued. In fact, it will become harder and harder to get out of bed each morning. Does that sound like a morning habit that you may have? If so, that's probably why you're still struggling to build muscle strength and lose body fat. The reason why is that cortisol plays a major role in your metabolism. When your cortisol levels are too low, you will gain weight. When your cortisol levels are too high, you will also gain weight. See, you need to strike the perfect balance of cortisol. And drinking coffee first thing in the morning is most likely disrupting that balance. Now, it doesn't just stop there. Drinking coffee first thing in the morning can also affect your testosterone levels as well. According to research, consuming caffeine can lead to higher levels of sex hormone-binding globulin. This is a protein that lowers the amount of free testosterone in your blood. And what's crazy is that 99% of men don't even realize this is happening. But fortunately, there are a few simple solutions that you can implement right now to fix this problem. The first one is going to be switching up the timing of when you drink coffee. Instead of having that cup of joe as soon as you wake up, try waiting at least 30 minutes to an hour before consuming caffeine. This gives your body time to adjust and helps your adrenals recover from the previous day's activities. Keep in mind, I'm not saying that you should never drink coffee in the morning. I'm just recommending that you wait a little bit before consuming it. Another great option is to switch from coffee to green tea. Green tea contains less caffeine than coffee, making it a much better choice for supporting your testosterone levels and overall health. Plus, green tea is loaded with antioxidants, which further support your adrenal glands. I highly recommend switching out one of your coffees per day for green tea. Another solution is to consume adaptogens. Adaptogens are natural substances that help your body adapt to stress, which in this case is the coffee. One of the best adaptogens for supporting your testosterone levels is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an herb that's been used in India for centuries to help improve mental clarity, physical endurance, and reduce stress. In fact, there was a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition that found that ashwagandha significantly improved testosterone levels and reduced cortisol levels in infertile men. Another effective adaptogen would be rhodiola. Rhodiola is an herb that's commonly used in Russia and China to help improve mental and physical performance. It works by helping your body adapt to stress and increase your resistance to fatigue. There was a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition that found that taking rhodiola improved exercise performance and reduced fatigue in soccer players. The next step is to reduce your caffeine intake. I know that sounds easy enough, but the key is to do it gradually. Start by reducing your intake by 1 caffeinated beverage per day. Then slowly decrease your consumption until you reach a level that no longer negatively affects your energy levels or testosterone. In addition to lowering your caffeine intake, I also recommend getting more sleep. Getting more rest will allow your body to recover fully, improving your energy levels and testosterone production. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and watch how it positively impacts both your energy and hormone levels. Now, another extremely important point that needs to be made is that you also want to work out earlier in the day. Exercising too late in the day can interfere with your sleep and make it harder to wind down. Try to finish your workouts a few hours before bedtime to allow your body to relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. If you want to take it one step further, consider intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a technique where you eat all of your calories in a small window of time, such as within an 8-hour window, and then fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. This can help reset your body's internal clock, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase testosterone levels. In fact, there was a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism that found that intermittent fasting led to significant increases in testosterone levels in obese men. So whether you decide to implement 1, 2, or all of these tips, just know that each one of them can positively impact your testosterone levels and overall health. Now, I can promise you that if you continue to drink coffee first thing in the morning, you are most likely going to struggle with low testosterone symptoms like lower libido, reduced energy, increased body fat, and decreased muscle mass. That's just the reality. The truth is that your daily habits play a huge role in determining your testosterone levels and overall health. While coffee might seem like a harmless morning ritual, it's crucial to be aware of its potential impact on your body. By implementing the tips that I mentioned in this video, you can optimize your testosterone levels and improve your quality of life. Remember, small changes like these can make a big difference over time, and if you want any extra help with your diet and workout plan, that's why I created a free workout and diet program that'll help you lose 20 pounds or 5% of your body fat in the next 6 weeks. The best part is that it's completely free. All you have to do is click the link below in the description and answer some simple questions. From there, my team and I will set up a personalized diet and workout plan that fits perfectly with your lifestyle and preferences. You'll get a customized meal plan based on your favorite foods, a 42-day workout plan that you can do either at home or at the gym, a recipe book with all of your meals and snacks already included, and a coach will be assigned to you to guide you through the entire process. With our program, you'll learn how to burn fat and build muscle faster than ever before. So if you'd like to find out what your true potential is, click the link below and sign up today. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys soon.